Today we are making chicken with broad bean stir fry. We are using young broad beans that I grow in my garden. These young beans are ready to be harvested. It's around 8 cm long or 3 inches. If you let it grow any bigger, it will not be so tender. I'm going to cook these young beans like say sugar snaps or monch too.
I'll leave this one to grow, the big one, and I'll cut the small one. So here are some of the young ones. There you go. It's about 3 inches, so if it's older then it will be a lot of seeds, but I'm keeping some of the old ones to go to seed, like this one.
Heat a frying pan with some oil. Add in the garlic and fry until lightly colored. Add in the chicken. Let it brown on one side and then flip over to cook the other side. Fry a minute or so and then add in the beans and the peppers. Stir fry for a minute and then add in the oyster sauce. If you like the video so far, please like, subscribe and hit the bell. Add in some water, about 100 ml or so, and more if you prefer to have more sauce. Season with salt and pepper. Add a swirl of sesame oil and light soy sauce. Stir and check that the beans are tender by cutting it with a spoon. If it yields, it is ready. Then thicken with the cornstarch slurry. Add more water if necessary. Of course, then you need to adjust the taste. Dish out and serve. It's that simple. So, let's try it. It tastes good, like a normal stir fry. Sounds delicious. Chicken with broad bean stir fry. If you like to have more recipes, click here. And more chicken recipes, click here. Bye now. See you. Bye. Thank you. I'm Loretta Lee, Nyonya Recipe. Nyonya Recipe is a fine place for fabulous food, and I share with you my food journey.